Hi everyone, and welcome to Tuesday's Tips with Laurie. I'm excited to share something fun with you today. I was going to talk about straps. So we've talked about our Keepsake clasp purses, and this is the Kimberbell designs for our Keepsake clasp purses. Boy, that's a mouthful. And we've got so many really cute designs, and they're different. This is something that's really good to embrace. And I love that we've got the different types of purses. We've got just a variety. Not all of our designs are right here, but we do have a few. And if you notice, this is the pleated one that we did last Tuesday. But what I wanted to share with you is a little bit more about the clasps themselves. So if you notice, we have a crescent shape here, and this is called our small crescent. And you can see that it comes with 2 in a package, and it fits our small crescent design. And then next to it we have a large crescent, and these of course are our vintage brass. They're just really pretty clasps. And as you can see, here's a couple of different designs that model that exact size right there, and you can see there's a bit of a size difference. This is a great size just for a cute purse, just to have out, you know, on those fun dates or just a day out. Also, we've got a small rectangle, and the small rectangle, isn't that a cute one? Let it be one of our designs. It also comes with 2 in that package. And then we have our large rectangle, and here is 2 of our large rectangle clasp purses, and we do have more designs than just what you see out. I do want to let you know that again. And it's our large rectangle. So what I wanted to talk to you a little bit about was straps, right? You want to strap sometimes on your purse as you go out and about. So as you can see, these are so cute, these little straps, and our instructions on how to make those straps do come on our CD. So no worries, you don't have to go out and look for these instructions. They come on the CD. And also, I wanted you to be able to see there's also loops, and the loops do come on every one of the clasp sizes. And yet you can see there's these 2 little loops. There's one there and one right there. That is so that you can accommodate, if you wanted to turn this into a crossbody bag, for example, you could very easily do that. You could go and purchase, if you'd like, from your local quilt or craft store. They've got these cute chain ones, and you just simply hook it on right there on the loop. I'm going to be challenged, of course. There we go. And you would hook both sides, and what a cute little crossbody bag that would turn into for your granddaughter or for yourself if you like to just carry minimal. Also, another idea for a strap would be, you could also purchase these jump rings, and there's jump rings right here. You can just get those in a package, and they hook right on, and then you could attach any kind of ribbon or strap that you would like of your choice, and you would just simply loop it through and tack it down really well, and that turns this into such a cute crossbody bag. I just love these. How cute! Anyway, if you have not yet checked into our clasp purses, please do. You can go to our website and view these, and you can see more of the designs that we do carry on our CD. Thank you so much for joining us. Bye-bye.